Square One Kitchen. Hi everyone, today we're making raspberry freezer jam. You will first need 750 fresh raspberries, 1 kilogram of granulated sugar, 3/4 of a cup of water, 50 to 60 powdered pectin. I don't know, it's hard. Pour in the raspberries into a large bowl, stir them with a spoon, break them up. The reason we made this was because, well, we went berry picking and we got blueberries and raspberries, but the blueberries were on top of the raspberries, and so the raspberries got very mushed. And in jam, raspberries are mushed, so this is very yummy. If I'm being honest, stirring the jam gives your arm quite a workout. It really hurts after a while, so it's easier to do it with someone else. You're now going to let it sit for about 5 minutes. For ours, the pectin started to cool down a little too much, but it still tasted great, so that's fine. This is a great snack if you just came home from like a run, any sort of exercise, you just didn't feel like a meal but you wanted a snack. It's nice and sweet, especially if you make scones. We also had a video on how to do that. And you're gonna want to stir the pectin into the raspberries. It makes it easier if you switch hands. This will make the jam thicker. Thick. You want that thick with the 2 C's. The thick. Now for us pouring the jam into the containers, we misjudged it and filled some up too much, but then they got messy. It was a very sticky situation, and it's easier if you get it done about right on your first try, but you can always come back for it. Bon appetit! Please subscribe. Thank you!